Okay guys, let me show you the behind the scenes of this Viking style nightstand. I'll show you the first hidden compartment. There's going to be drawers here, but this is going to be a hidden compartment. This is all going to be hidden in the top. Pull that, and it's going to pop up out of the top. And that's how that works. You get a lift support. Sometimes you have to manufacture some parts. That's a 100 Newton lift support, and then you've got some drawer slides, and then I put a roller bar here with these little rollers, because when you have a lift support pushing on something, it will mess up these slides if it doesn't have something to push against. And then I've got this reused old latch, and that's going to be obviously under the board, so you're going to reach up. I've got to cut this so it's more of a trigger, but you'll reach up under the lip, pull it, and that will pop up out of the nightstand, and it'll still be able to have the lamp in front of it and whatnot. But yeah, just so I know a lot of you guys are building stuff, and if you need tips and tricks, that's how I did that hidden compartment. So I'll show you again how that works. Boop. Okay, check this out. So obviously I still got to trim in that door a little bit, but watch this. You turn that, watch this. Son! Yeah! See, you turn that, and it makes that go in and out right there. So it's going to be a little coat rack. Okay, check this out. This little dragon, still got to etch him in and him in. I'm going to make that button hidden, but watch this. That's one hidden compartment. Next hidden compartment, so you got the drawer front, opens like a normal drawer, but if you lift it up, that slides out. You can still open that, and I've still got to figure out how to hide this one, or how to open it, but oh, it's stiff. That comes open, but I gotta sand that. So yeah, there's one, two, oh, and then I almost forgot. So this one over here, and then I probably gotta sand it too to make it open. Yeah, I thought so. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 hidden compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah. Anyways, pretty cool, I thought. And then that, to put that away, you just slide it in, pop down, can't even tell it's there. It's hidden way underneath. See that contraption? That's what opens it. Sort of like a little slider, but I don't know. Pretty cool. That's all I know. Okay, check this out. That controls that way. And that controls that way, and that's the contraption. How do you like those mechanics, hmm? How do you like those mechanics? Was crazy enough for you? Alright, here's another locking mechanism that's probably going to be covered up, so I thought I would show how it works. Very simple. A lot of people are always asking me, and I'm always like, well, it's under there somewhere. Yeah, that's how that works. This goes up to here. Slides down on there, yank on that, it opens that up, and yeah, that's how that works. Alright, sometimes people ask me how I make things open. I'll show you. So under here there's a latch, and I've got that little contraption that I just put together. That's where that latch goes to right there. But yeah, I just created that little thing. So, yep. Okay, here it is. Canon trial run. So there's a button down here. Push the button. That rises up. Open this up. Grab this will be inside of the queen. Put that there. Push down. Canon comes up. If it ever lights. Success. Okay, guys. So this is this week's hardware. So I'll show you how I did this hardware. See that little hole? it's gonna have a little wooden button that goes on there. But on this side, you poke in that little hole. Oh, wait. So that falls down. It's a little sticky because I just painted it, but then that falls down and that's what turns. So really simple hardware, but you know.
Simple?
It's simple.
I don't think so. That's cool.
Yeah, it's a little sticky because it's a little wet, but yeah, that's how that works. Okay, here is the compartment thing. This lifts up, that goes like that, pushes on that, that opens that drawer. That's gonna be the alcohol drawer. And the cool thing about this is it's actually got a automatic close on it too, so that's going to be flush. You won't be able to get it open unless you find this. This is going to be under a hidden compartment. So you'll just lift that up, crank it. Is that ridiculous? Yep, but it's cool. Okay, check this out. This is the table. I've got a stainless board still and whatnot, and I've got an out of board here. But look at this. See the eye? Boop, keyhole. Boop, no keyhole. Boop, keyhole. I've got this key. I've got to like age it so it looks cool, but I'll show you the mechanism under here. That is the mechanism. So let's paint that all up, stain the board, and that's how that works. Boop. Pretty cool. Okay, so here's behind the scenes. Actually, this can come out. I'm just taking apart the wizard chest to adjust something. But I thought, oh hell, I'll take a video and show sort of how it works underneath all this stuff. So that hidden compartment there, when it opens, it turns. And that piece right here is a half moon shape. So that when it turns into that, it puts like the, almost like a bite out of it. So that that can turn. Oh, I got dust in there. So that can turn. I should have taken a bitter. Oh, you can see it right here. So you see how there is a little, like a cookie bite? When you turn that to there, that makes it so that can turn. And then when you turn that, it takes that cookie bite. So basically there's two pieces exactly like that piece. And when that one's turned, that other one, the cookie bite, is facing towards it. And that's how that works. And then this one, that one's the one with the knot. So when you push the knot, it releases that and puts the cookie bite in the right spot so that that turns. And that one is the wand compartment. So when the wand compartment opens, it puts the cookie bite in the right spot, and then when you turn it back, it'll relock. So you can turn it, and then as soon as you know you don't have to push the button, you turn it back and it'll relock. So this one right here is the hourglass, and when you turn the hourglass, I'll show you. See if I can get my camera down. So when you turn the hourglass, it actually turns that little lever. So you have to turn the hourglass a couple times. And then that comes and pushes on that, which the cookie bite's already moved out of the way. I don't know if you can see that, but so if I were to, yeah. Anyways, yeah. So that's how that works. And then all the magnetic switches there. You've got the drop-down door right here, and then batteries are here, which they're sort of in an inconvenient spot, but and then underneath here, so if you look there, the little wire goes up. Sorry, my fingers keep getting in the way. And it actually goes to underneath the hinge. There is a coil of copper wire on two of the hinges and on two of the hinges here, and so the electricity actually goes up through the hinge into that lid, And then when you put the wands in their place, there is switches in each one. And then it comes back down through this hinge and into the, so that the switch will work, so that it'll open the door. But yeah, that's the behind the scenes. Very dirty video, but that's what you get. All right, guys, check this out. I've been building this hardware for the last couple days, and I just barely got it on here, and I'm gonna test it. So this is gonna have, on here there's gonna be veneer, so you won't be able to see any of the edge of this plywood. And these are gonna have drawer fronts on the front of them with holes in them. And then on the front of these little circles are gonna be pieces of burl wood, but it's all gonna be flush with the front of the drawer. And then around this corner, I've got a button that's gonna be hidden inside of a carving that I'm gonna be doing right here on the table. And when you push the button, it's going to make them all, I gotta readjust this one, that's a little bit off, but I gotta readjust these, and it'll make all the drawer handles, the little poles pop out to where you can actually grab them and open the drawers. So otherwise they're gonna all be magneted. The drawers will have a big magnet on the back holding them in. And you won't be able to get them out, because if it's not frustrating to get into one of my tables, then what is the point? Anyways, I'll do that one more time and see if I can get them to work properly this time. So the button's here. There we go. Just gotta shove the button a little harder. But anyways, yeah, pretty exciting. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully those videos were helpful. They were older videos, but in the future I'm gonna start doing better videos of showing how I actually built the hardware and then applying it to the builds. Again, thanks for liking and commenting and subscribing. And if I don't cover something that you want to see how I did it, comment, I'll read it. I don't always comment back. I try to, but sometimes there's a lot of comments. So, but I do read them. And so I try to, you know, make sure I'm on track with what you guys want to see. And I really appreciate it. Oh, I've got a Patreon too as well. So if you want to support me, I appreciate it. You can find it in the video description. What else?
There's also a link tree for all the social media in the description too.
Yeah, that's Danny. She does all of the social media stuff, and she's been helping me take the videos and upload them. She's building me a website and stuff like that, so she's pretty awesome.